Hello and welcome to the Great Indian Treasure Hunt. Now we are going to learn how to play this super exciting game. After you log on to hoopsters.in, click on the Great Indian Treasure Hunt icon on the home page. You can also go to it from the Games page on Hoopsters. Now let's see what the Great Indian Treasure Hunt is all about. This game is basically about collecting some really cool India stamps. These stamps, which are your treasures, show the varied wonderful things about our country in different categories, including our varied flora and fauna, monuments, dance, festivals, games, musical instruments, rivers, food, people, and symbols. You need to collect all 144 of these India stamps from the given set and send in the completed album of 24 pages of stamps to win prizes. And you know what the best part is? Well, you can play the game with your friends and have loads of fun. Now, let's take you through a step-by-step demo of the game. Here is your album that you receive when you log into the game. We have given you 6 stamps free to start the game. Also, 1 stamp is already prefixed in the album. You have to drag and place the stamps on the respective slots in the album. Remember to match the numbers on the stamp with those on the album. Also remember to save your album every time you have added a new stamp. So once you finish placing all the given stamps, how do you get more to fill the album? Well, this is where it gets to be fun. You need to successfully play the India quiz in order to collect more stamps. It's like this. On your screen, you will get a colorful map of India with all the 29 states marked in different colors. Click on any state of your choice and you will get a set of 20 questions related to that state. You get 180 seconds for you to answer all the questions per state. Select your answer from the options given and move to the next question. You need to get a minimum of 5 correct answers to get more stamps. Remember, you can do only 1 quiz per day. So if you don't get your 5 correct answers for a state, you can go back and play the quiz for that state on the next day. Now this is your stamps bar, where all the stamps you collect get added. The stamps you receive are random, and sometimes you can get more of the same kind. But don't worry about more than one of the same stamp. These go into the exchange bin over here. That's right, you can also exchange stamps with your friends online. Use the message bin on the right to send a request to one or all of your friends for a specific stamp you need. This exchange bin also shows the extra stamps that you can give your friends who need them in exchange for the stamps that you can get from them. Note that every time you get or give a stamp, you will get an alert on your screen showing the stamps that get added to your exchange bin. So you see, this game is very simple. All you need to do is just answer the India quiz, receive stamps, drag and drop the stamps to the right slot in the album. If you do not have certain stamps, exchange your duplicate stamps with friends for the stamps you want. The idea is to complete the album. And once you complete the album, you can send it to us. Exciting prizes and gifts await you. And remember, the Great Indian Treasure Hunt is more than just a fun game. It can help you in knowing about the greatness of India, and who knows, it could even help you in your X3 exams or in a quiz contest. Awesome, right? So, are you ready to play the Great Indian Treasure Hunt? Good luck and happy playing!